I am cleaning the floor right now. I am cleaning the floor right now. The floor is very dirty today. The floor is very dirty today.
Do you need any help from me? Do you need any help from me?
No, thank you. I can do it myself. No, thank you. I can do it myself.
Okay. Call me if you need anything. Be careful on the wet floor. Be careful on the wet floor.
I am hanging the clothes outside now. I am hanging the clothes outside now. The weather is perfect for drying clothes. The weather is perfect for drying clothes.
I want to finish all the work today. I want to finish all the work today. I am climbing on the chair now. I am climbing on the chair now. I am standing on the chair now. I am standing on the chair now.
I am falling down right now. I am falling down right now.
Oh no! She has fallen off the chair! Oh no! She has fallen off the chair!
Ouch! I have fallen on the floor. Ouch! I have fallen on the floor. My waist is hurting very badly now. Please do not touch my waist. Please do not touch my waist.
I am placing a pillow under your head. I am placing a pillow under your head. Do not be scared. I am here with you. Do not be scared. I am here with you. I think you need to see a doctor. I think you need to see a doctor.
Yes, please call the doctor now. Yes, please call the doctor now.
Doctor, I am calling about my wife. Doctor, I am calling about my wife. She has fallen from a chair today. She has fallen from a chair today.
Oh, is she in pain right now? Oh, is she in pain right now?
Yes, she is in a lot of pain. Yes, she is in a lot of pain.
Where exactly is she feeling the pain? Where exactly is she feeling the pain?
She is feeling pain in her lower waist. She is feeling pain in her lower waist. Can you please come to our house? Can you please come to our house?
Yes. I am leaving my clinic now. Yes. I am leaving my clinic now.
Thank you, doctor. We are waiting for you. Thank you, doctor. We are waiting for you.
I will be there in 30 minutes. I will be there in 30 minutes.
How long will he take to come? How long will he take to come?
He will be here in 30 minutes. He will be here in 30 minutes.
I am thirsty. Can I drink some water?
Yeah.
I am thirsty. Can I drink some water?
Yes. I am bringing water for you. Yes. I am bringing water for you. Oh. Someone is knocking at the door. Oh. Someone is knocking at the door. The doctor is here. I am opening the door. The doctor is here. I am opening the door. Please come in, doctor. Please come in, doctor.
Thank you. Where is the patient?
She is lying in the bedroom. She is lying in the bedroom.
Tell me, where exactly is the pain? Tell me, where exactly is the pain?
It is here, in my lower waist. How many days must I rest, doctor? How many days must I rest, doctor?
You must rest for at least 5 days. You must rest for at least 5 days.
Can I walk to the bathroom? Can I walk to the bathroom?
Yes, but walk very slowly and carefully.
Yes,
But walk very slowly and carefully.
Should we take her to the hospital? Should we take her to the hospital?
No, she can recover at home.
no, she can recover at home.
I am writing a prescription for you now. I am writing a prescription for you now.
She must take this medicine after eating.
She must take this medicine after eating. Never give her medicine on an empty stomach. Never give her medicine on an empty stomach. She should also apply this gel on her waist. She should also apply this gel on her waist.
How many times a day, doctor? How many times a day, doctor?
Apply the gel 3 times every day. Apply the gel 3 times every day.
I am going to the pharmacy now. I am going to the pharmacy now. I will be back very soon. Do not worry. I will be back very soon. Do not worry. Hello? I need to buy some medicine.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
I have a prescription from a doctor. I have a prescription from a doctor.
I am packing all the medicines for you. I am packing all the medicines for you.
I am walking back home with the medicines. I am walking back home with the medicines. Here are all your medicines. Here are all your medicines.